I am in front of Lex Hotel in Cebu City. It is 4-star hotel and in really busy area, but it's good. I actually checked in yesterday, but it was night, so I did not record much. Let's go inside and I will show you everything.
Hi travelers, I am Mats and welcome to Travel With Me, your go-to guide for all travel adventure. I have been lucky enough to explore numerous countries and I am sharing my tips and tricks with you. So hit that subscribe button and let's explore the world together.
We are already in our room. It's dark because we arrived late. Our luggage is here. We have here some storage. Oh, bathrobes, really nice. Safe. Perfect storage here as well. Good. Nice mirror. Let's go to the bathroom. It's actually really huge. A toilet. Nice shower. Wow, this is really nice. I like it. Amenities. And let's go to the room. We have 2 beds here. And TV. Air condition, of course. And some freebies. Coffee, tea, decaf coffee, water. Do we have something? Oh, no, empty. All right. Okay, I guess it's for a lamp. And the view, I don't think, yeah, we can't see anything, but it's next road. Yeah, that's all right, not too bad. So this is lobby slash reception area. Hello, good morning. This is a restaurant for breakfast and dinner. And there is a reception. They have also bar here. And it's closed now. I will just show you. Here is opening time. Prices. I am having breakfast and the selection looks pretty good. Let's go and check it. It is actually floor 10. It looks amazing. I'm going to try the water. Oh, it's actually really good. Yeah. Let's walk around. It's open from 7 a.m. till 10 p.m., which is good. So even if you have any trips or something, you can come here later on. Toilets. Let's go inside. This looks actually nice. Wow, this is beautiful. Oh, little bit cleaning issue. You have a shower here as well. Nice. And here is a bar. I am not sure if it's open every day. I will see later on when I come here. And let's check the view. Nice street view. This hotel is approximately 30 minutes by car from airport, but it might take longer because of traffic jam, so it depends on the time. Let's go to check other side. Nice as well. I am leaving the Lakes Hotel. It was positive stay, very short. I was here just for one night, but yeah, pretty good, even like for long stay. It's fun, like 6 minutes by taxi to some historic landmarks. I pay 45 pounds per room with breakfast for 2 adults, which I think is really good. But that's it for today. Take care, stay tuned, stay safe, and see you later. Bye bye.